When an access or entry point is nowhere near a permanent Davit base, that's when you need a mobile solution. This system uses a suitable vehicle as its counterweight, bringing the Davit to the work site. Its offset arm can be positioned to support safe access to and egress from tanks, pits, vaults and other confined spaces. The Tuff personnel winch provides controlled raising and lowering. Alongside it, the TORQ device combines fall protection with an integrated winch function. Together, they create a practical system designed around access, fall protection and rescue. Because an effective rescue plan starts long before anyone enters the space, bring the right system to the job with Abtech Safety.